That was that big freeze.
Yeah. And
it killed most of what I'd planted.
well, was that devastating?
Well, yes, it was disappointing.
Yeah.
But I knew it was.
What did you do?
Well, I started again the next year, just the way I'm doing now. Now I figure it doesn't happen that often, and you can't just not plant those same things again because they might have another 20 years before they'd be killed again.
Yeah.
So I'm just replanting. I start over again.
After the first freeze, did you leave the beds where things were dead intact on the assumption that things might come back, or?
No, these were all newly planted. There wasn't anything to come back.
Oh, that's just really sounds like
Yes,
a fairly hideous.
they really hadn't taken hold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did it alter in any way your?
I lost a few things that I didn't get again, but.
Because they were the most fragile or
Yes.
unhardy or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gosh, you are philosophical about this. You didn't think that in some way you had been given a message.
No.